Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about CorelDraw tips and tricks. And in this video, I will show you how to customize your ruler color and change your guide color without any stress in CorelDraw. So let's see. So just like what you see right here, I have two ruler right here. One here is blue and then the other one here is red. How do we change from red to another color or change from blue to another color? So I'm going to quickly select on this one right here. And then having select on the red, I'm going to right click on it. Then I'll come down below right here. I will make sure I click on properties. Then after click on property, you can see the guideline property color right here. So I can simply click on the color right here. So from the options right here, I can decide to change this to something like this type of green. So once I'm done, then it's going to be reflected in the guide right here. By the time I click on the guide, so it's going to change the color to green right here. So just like what you see right here, you can see the color has been updated into the guide right here. So you can do this for as many as possible guide you have as far as your guideline is concerned in CorelDraw. It's that simple. So more tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your CorelDraw software, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.